Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix front audio port not working in Windows. Right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. In my case audio device is Realtek Audio. Type Realtek Audio Console in Windows search bar, click Realtek Audio Console. Click Device Advanced Settings. Turn on Disable Front Panel pop-up dialog. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.